Hi guys, welcome to Sweet and Chili Peppers. My name is Priyadarshini and I welcome you to my channel. I know I have posted a video a long time back and I could not post another video for a long time because I was busy, genuinely busy with a lot of other things happening. But here I am back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to make or we are going to learn how to make fried chicken. To me, comfort food always meant fish curry and rice. I think on any day when I want to eat a comfort food I want or something which I can eat every day, it is always going to be fish curry and rice. But off late, because I live in Bombay, I am I've started loving eating khichdi with fried chicken. I know it's a weird combination, but trust me, guys, if you try make it and eat it with khichdi, normal ghar ki khichdi and fried chicken, it tastes amazing. So I'm going to teach you today how to make fried chicken my style. Very few ingredients, and it is made in no time. It's quick, it's yummy, and it's amazing to eat with khichdi. And also, I just wanted to do this quick video, have this quick chat with before I start with the video, that I also want you guys to send me suggestions what you want to see on my channel in terms of recipes, in terms of other food related content, because I really want you to also be a part of this journey that I have started with this channel, Sweet and Chili Peppers. It's not only about me, it's about food lovers, it's about the community, it's about the community of foodies. So I want your suggestions too, guys. Please drop in your suggestions in the comment below about what you want to see next in my channel, and I will try as much as possible to do bring or create those kind of content for you, so that we can keep this love for food, passion for food alive. Because in this tough times, in these times when we all are going through a tough time, I think food is something, is such a binding element to who we are. And so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Let's learn how to make fried chicken my style.
So first we are going to soak the chicken in water, and in the water I'm going to add salt and vinegar. Why you want to do this process is because salt, you want to infuse the taste of salt, and the vinegar will make the chicken more soft. So do this process for about 20 minutes and half an hour prior to you make the fried chicken. Now coming to the most important part of the recipe, it's the batter. I'm using some leftover batter which I had because I made a fried chicken earlier a few days back. To that I'm going to add a little bit more of flour and also some salt. So we are not going to use any other egg wash or anything, it's only this batter. I added some red chili flakes, some ginger powder, and some onion powder. You can also add garlic powder, guys. This is half teaspoon of baking soda, some red chili pepper. I mean red chili powder. It's only for coloring. It doesn't give out heat. So the batter is ready. Now we will coat the chicken properly. So since this is the only batter that we will be using, no egg wash, nothing. So I recommend that you keep the chicken coated very nicely and keep the chicken in the plate itself where you're coating. You don't want the coating to become moist after some time, because then the fried chicken texture will not come, so your chicken will not be crispy. So in this way I will coat each and every pieces. I am heating some white oil, and once the oil is a little hot I'll add the pieces of chicken. As you can see, the batter is very much there on top of the chicken body. giving it some time to cook. So I make sure that the fried chicken pieces are cooked from inside as well. So I keep on covering it from time to time so that I want that the heat to be there to cook off the chicken from inside without disturbing the crunch of the chicken. So even if I've covered it for some time, see, you can still see how the coating and the batter looks. I've again covered it for some time. And yeah, pretty much this is how the recipe is, and it is ready. So as you can see clearly that the coating is still there, nothing has fallen off, and it tastes amazing. So what I do is I love to add a little bit of honey to the fried chicken. So it's a recommendation, guys. Please try fried chicken with honey. It is amazing. You will love it. So you can add just 2 teaspoons of honey and that's it. And I'm also, to finish it off, lastly, to garnish whatever, I'm adding a little bit of sesame seeds to give it that nice looking fried chicken look. And yeah, my fried chicken is all ready. I enjoyed this with a plate of khichdi. As I told you, I love it. And if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and share this video so that I can bring more exciting, easy recipes to you. Till then, bye!